Afridi can be a mood lifter. Can he lift his side out of this tight corner? 47 from 18 balls. It's a gigantic task. Boaks is in. None for 11. Very good economy. 5.5 knot. That's a hit. That is some shot for you. That's gone flat. It's a skimmer from Afridi. It's a 6 over covers. Showcasing his power and talent with the bat. And the crowds are absolutely loving it.
He's too late. Where's he been? Lights up this boundary board.
He's becoming watchable now. Afridi 11 from 3. 4 and a 6. Covers the stumps, goes big down the leg side. He's called his partner for 2. His partner says no, Afridi is back in. Doesn't like the call of Sarfraz, but got to just calm down a little, Afridi. I think his partner's got to suggest to him that all is not lost. Single will do the job. Let me handle the situation. Let's share this burden. Nice early call, by the way, from Sarfraz. This has to be a 15-run over. Works it into the gap. Afridi doesn't want the second. His partner wanted the second one. Afridi was not even looking at him. Leave it to the captain. Afridi is in the house.
The crowd all have a view. Who do they want to see on strike? Sarfraz is a fine player, but it's Afridi. The influence of Afridi. He's had 4 deliveries. He's got 12 runs.
The tempo is starting to build up. Afridi on 12 from just 4. Covers the stumps, flicks it, gets it on the full. It's another smash. Afridi is rocking. Magnificent striking from him.
Oh, Boom Boom, where have you been? England needing to get to work. Butler, the captain. Slightly difficult maybe in T20 when you're captain from a distance. You want to have a chat with your bowler.
Well, he's operating at a strike rate of 360. Shahid Afridi, 18 from 5. 14 runs from the over. 2 more balls left. This could be a big over for Pakistan. Could get bigger. That's a smash. And will this be taken? It's taken off. And it's a 6 over point. Awesome stuff from Afridi. Absolutely stunning.
Brilliant over this for Pakistan. Afridi. 6 deliveries. Strike rate 400. Oh, and a free hit. It gets worse for England. There are 20 from this over. Pakistan need 20. They need 33 from 14 deliveries.
What a shot that was. It was a difficult ball to really handle over point. And he absolutely smashed it. Afridi has been offered a freebie. Freebie to Afridi.
And a chat. Butler has to go all the way down to have a word with Chris Walks. They've got to hatch a plan. They've got to get Afridi off strike.
Free hit has been posted on the big screen. Well, the crowds know that he can't get out on this. Well, he shouldn't.
But we've all seen it many, many times. If he gets going, you can't stop him. He's like a runaway train.
Strike rate of exactly 400 now for Shahid Afridi. 24 from just 6. He's going to go for it, Afridi. Oh, misses the ball, trying to hit it just a little too hard, and fabulously done by the bowler here. Oakes was under a lot of stress and pressure. He bowls it fast and he bowls it wider.
And into the pitch. He's tried his Yorkers, they've not worked. A couple of full tosses as well, so he's gone back to default. Hit the pitch. Field changes again. Third man comes inside the circle. Deep backward square goes out. One delivery ends the 18th over. 26 required from 13 deliveries.
Just a ball to come in this over. Afridi must not get out now. Take a run, get to the other end. Oh, ball's a wide one. It is a wide ball. Trying to stay away from his range. Shahid Afridi can have that kind of an impact on the opponent. So it's another ball to come. 22 runs already looted by Pakistan in this over.
Well, he's got at England. Good call from the umpire, just outside that line.
That's a slice, and it's a catch. And Afridi has been dismissed. So the drama is over. And, well, what a strike from England. Just at the right time. He was steaming forward and threatening to win the game on his own. And this is a slice and beautifully held. A pressure catch. And it's taken.
Liam Plunkett, the catcher. And that is a golden wicket. See what it means to Owen Morgan. He's just turned this game, Afridi. Pakistan have a sniff. 24, 148 for 7.